Thanks for staying with us now. It's going to be my favourite part of the morning so far. Tommy, look at him. He's getting his face painted for Halloween.
Yes, Alan is transforming me into a spooky, scary skeleton with the help of Selena Cassidy from Premier Face Painting Ireland. Good morning to you, Selena. How are you?
Good morning.
So you've kind of put the base layer on. So for people who are obviously getting their face painting done for Christmas or for Halloween.
You can get it done for Christmas
You can
as
do
well.
it for Christmas as well.
What's kind of the tips of what people need, first of all, to get start doing like a skeleton face?
So I would recommend that you always get professional face paints because they're water-based, they're easy to come off, and you want to be able to use something that is not going to give any reaction, especially if you're painting on kids.
So, yes, of course.
Yeah, I'd say always get some really good quality face paints, and we always use Diamond Effects and Fusion. And then you can also get Snazaroo in many of the local shops, and it's a kind of a less superior brand, but it's still really good. It works perfectly. It's quite cheap, and
and obviously a brush, a good brush is that's your key, isn't it?
The most important, absolutely, because it's like any job, you need your proper equipment.
Sponges as well. That's going to put the base layer on.
Yeah. So what we did before we started is we used these sponges. They're very soft and they're latex, and we just quickly pop that base on with the sponge. And how you do it is you don't put much water on that sponge. You want it to be really quite it's quite dry because you don't want it to be dripping all over the place, and then it gets that nice kind of blended look. Do you see?
The purple, then I wouldn't think, what does the purple, that gives definition, does it?
Yeah, so we just thought I would go with purple. It's easier to come off than black.
Good.
We want Tommy to be able to wash it off in the morning.
Go on, so what do we do next?
What we're going to do, Alan, is I'm going to teach you how to do the line work. So we've done the base work and we're going to do the line work. So what you do is you spritz your pan. This is your paint, and we've got a spritzer here. And you want your paint to be, it's almost like a hand cream. You don't want it too wet, you don't want it too dry, but you want a good mixture. So it is easy to get on that brush. And you want to be able to fill your brush like this.
I can see my
You go around like that. You don't want it too wet. Not too wet. Now, the tip with face painting that not many people know about is your brush is always upright.
What do you mean, like that?
I'll show you now. So what you have to do, and you twist the paint off like this. So you don't want it too wet. And when you start working on the face, imagine if I was going into the face here, I'd want my brush upright.
I see what you mean.
So you don't want it sideways.
All right.
And so what we're going to do first is we're going to do an eyebrow.
All right.
Like Murren's.
Like Murren's bushy eyebrows that we were told earlier on.
No, we're going to have some nice thin eyebrows for this
So
scary skeleton.
Just above his own ones?
Yeah, so what we're going to do is we're going to start at the beginning of the eyebrow, and we've got our brush fully upright. And I am going to put the brush on here, and I'm going to go very gently. I'm almost not touching the face. I'm using the tip of the brush, so I go really gently, and then I go along, and I'm pushing down, and then I'm pulling up and finishing in the perfect tip like that. Do you see?
Okay, there's my one.
Let me see.
Not bad.
My gosh.
Jeez, Alan.
Alan.
The panto he sees you doing this for years.
Whoa.
Right,
you've
come
done
on.
You've done this
going,
before.
Keep going.
Okay, so
What's
now
next?
we're going to load the brush again.
Okay.
And we are going to do the nose.
Alan, well done. Right.
So with the nose, you're doing a thing called a teardrop. And teardrops are the most common stroke in face painting. You have to learn to do a teardrop if you're face painting. And so basically what you do is you have to push your brush down again, like this, and you bring it up again very gently, so you're ending in the tip of the brush, and then I am going to fill that in like that, and you're going to go around it.
There we go. I have a feeling you're making...
No, we're giving you a little doggy nose.
That's not bad.
We're giving you a little doggy nose.
Okay, wait. Steady here now.
Go on, fill that in.
Okay. You might just about get away with that.
Okay, the
Remember
teardrop.
with face painting.
Yeah, but I like the little doggy nose on it.
Oh,
It's
no,
nice.
well, it was meant to be a skeleton.
Okay. I
know,
You're meant to
but-
have a little line in between there.
Right,
But that's absolutely
what's
fine.
next?
So next we're going to do the lips, and they're tons of teardrops. So we're going to do the same thing. First of all...
So when you're starting this, is there a certain one? Is the skeleton the easiest to do?
So, yeah, that's what I was going to say. We're doing a Halloween look. So with Halloween looks, you can actually be a bit messy.
Right, yeah.
So
Which
to do
we
it at
are.
home, maybe not that messy, but...
Okay. But we're like, we're showing
well.
people at home how to do it. They're not going to be perfect.
Exactly. You can't.
know.
You don't
Yeah.
have to be perfect, and it's really good to start with Halloween looks because you don't have to be perfect.
And
It
so
can be
a
a bit
skeleton
mucky.
can be easy, just the white face and then just the little black lines.
Yeah, and you can add on to it. Like we'll put some cracks on there, and you could even put a little bit of blood.
So what?
Come
So
on,
what
stop.
we're going to do is I am going to do my teardrop here, going up here, and a bit of a wiggly line. Can you see that?
Yeah, okay.
And you're going to recreate that. Pretty good.
Yeah.
I'm
Silence,
I'm
right.
very impressed. Yeah. And now, this is quite a simple skeleton. So what we're going to do is we're going to do lots of teardrops to make the teeth. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And remember, thick to thin, thick to thin. And then you're going to go a bit smaller when you get to the edge of the line to create that kind of like
Oh, look at this.
spooky.
Riveting television.
This is
Quiet.
something.
Working on Tommy Bow's teeth.
We're concentrating.
Okay, right.
And we're actually going to go over the teeth as well. You don't have to. If you're working on children, sometimes you can leave the
We've
teeth
a minute.
out.
We've a minute left,
Yeah.
so we
Okay.
need to get this finished.
Go, quick. 1, 2. Keep
Oh,
going.
you're going over the mouth
Keep
as
going,
well.
yes, absolutely. And we'll get those teeth down. 1, 2. 1, 2,
I'm running out
3,
of pink.
4.
They're gone dry.
It's going dry, so just load it up and then meet my teeth.
I'll meet
And
your
then
teeth.
meet my teeth. And then what we could do is, if
And
we've
you
got
give
time...
you give tuitions on.
We do, and if you follow us on our social media, we do tons of free tutorials and reels. And Amber, who's standing over there, has like 9 million followers. No, sorry, I lied.
9 million followers?
No, I got that wrong. 9 million views.
Oh, 9 million.
9 million views on some of her
Good, though, isn't it?
socials.
But
Yeah.
people love doing this.
Yeah, it's
online.
really
You go on to
popular.
Premier Face Painting on Instagram, is it? And
Yeah.
on TikTok and everything. It's all there. And you can follow these tuitions and get a great a look for Halloween.
Yeah, and they're free. And then we also sell tuitions as well on our website, and we've got a shop.
Okay.
So we
where's the
sell.
shop?
It's online.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So there we go. Do you
All
want
right,
to copy
look
a
at
couple
that.
of those?
What about that?
Well,
It looks good,
Selena
doesn't it?
Cassidy, thank you so much for that.
You are
Are we
very
going? How does it
welcome.
look? There we go.
looks
Look
You
at that.
That looks great.
Gorgeous.
Very.
We'll
I think you
finish
did
it
a
off now.
fantastic job.
There you have it.
Mirren, what's
Professional
happening tomorrow?
face painter.
Do you know what? I am freaked out and spooked out because I've never seen Tommy Bow as quiet in my entire life. I don't think I've ever. So that's how you make it happen. There's loads coming up on tomorrow's show, of course, for Halloween. We are going to have the trader himself, Paudie Maloney, and loads of other things. Have a great day. Bye.